Welcome children. Welcome to our class. This class we going to see nouns, naming words. Everything in the world has a name. All names are naming words are nouns. Words that are used as names of persons, places, animals or things are called nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. A noun is nothing but person's name, place's name, animal's name or thing's name are called nouns. For example, Raja, Kavita, cat, dog, car, bus, Chennai, London. These are nouns. Look at the sentence. Sheila is a good girl. Sheila is a good girl. Sheila is a special name for the girl. So, Sheila is a proper noun. Girl is a general name for the girl. So, girl is a common noun. In the sentence, Sheila and girl are nouns. Second sentence, Ashoka was a great ruler. Ashoka was a great ruler. In the sentence, Ashoka is a special name. Ashoka is a special name and ruler is a common name. Ruler is a common name. So, Ashoka and ruler are nouns. Ashoka and ruler are nouns. Third sentence is India is our country. India is our country. In this sentence, India is a special name. India is a special name and country is a common name. Country is a common name. So, India and country are nouns. India and country are nouns. Next we are going to see about kinds of nouns. Kinds of nouns. We have different kinds of nouns such as proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and common noun. Next we are going to see one by one briefly. First one is proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Special names given to people, place, animal and thing are called proper nouns. All proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Remember, names of cities, days, months, festivals, holidays, books, people, etc. are proper noun. For example, Kavita, Raja, India, Chennai, Colgate, these are proper noun. Look at the sentence. Uncle Sundar is a farmer. Uncle Sundar is a farmer. In this sentence, we are talking about Sundar and farmer. Sundar is the special name for the farmer. Sundar is the special name for the farmer. So, Sundar is a proper noun. Sundar is a proper noun. Farmer is a common noun. Farmer is a common noun. Second sentence, we are going to Trichy. We are going to Trichy. Trichy is a place name. So, this is proper noun. Trichy is a place name. So, this is proper noun. The third sentence is Jimmy is my pet dog. Jimmy is my pet dog. Jimmy is a dog name. Jimmy is a dog name. So, Jimmy is a proper noun. Jimmy is a proper noun. Fourth one, Sanjay lives in Mumbai. Sanjay lives in Mumbai. In this sentence, Sanjay is a person name. Sanjay is a person name. And Mumbai is a place name. Mumbai is a place name. So, Sanjay and Mumbai are proper noun. Sanjay and Mumbai are proper noun. Fifth one, April comes after March. April comes after March. April and March are months name. April and March are months name. So, April and March are proper noun. April and March are proper noun. Next one, common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, place or thing of the same kind or class. The general name of a person, place, animal or thing is a common noun. The general name of a person, place, animal or thing is a common noun. For example, girl, boy, dog, fort, country, soap, toothpaste, shampoo, etc. These are common nouns. Girl can be used for all girls. Boy can be used for all boys. Dog can be used for all dogs. So, girl, boy, dog, fort, country, soap, toothpaste, shampoo, etc. These are common nouns. Look at the sentence. First one, I live in a village. I live in a village. In this sentence, we are talking about village. Village is a common noun. Village is a common noun. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. In this sentence, farmer is a common name. Farmer is a common name. So, farmer is a common noun. Farmer is a common noun. Third sentence, I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. In this sentence, dog is a common name. Dog is a common name. So, dog is a common noun. Dog is a common noun. Fourth one, please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. In this sentence, pen is a common name. Pen is a common name. So, pen is a common noun. Pen is a common noun. Fifth one, I like a bird. I like a bird. In this sentence, bird is a common name. Bird is a common name. So, bird is a common noun. Bird is a common noun. Next, we are going to compare the common noun and proper noun. Common noun. Common noun names are general names of a person, animal, place and thing. But proper noun special names given to people, place, animal and thing. Common nouns do not need capital letters, but proper noun require capital letters. For example, place. Place is a common noun. London, Chennai, Bangalore are proper noun. Animal. Animal is a common noun. Tiger, elephant, lion are proper noun. River. River is a common noun. Ganga, Vaigai, Kaveri are proper noun. Festival. Festival is a common noun. Pongal, Diwali, Christmas are proper noun. Poet. Poet is a common noun. Bharatiya, Rabindranath Tagore are proper noun. Bird. Bird is a common noun. Peacock, crow, hen are proper noun. Country is a common noun. India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan are proper noun. Flower. Flower is a common name. So, common noun. Rose, jasmine, lotus are proper noun. Newspaper. Newspaper is a common noun. The Hindu, Times Now are proper noun. Season. Season is a common name. So, common noun. Summer, winter are proper noun. Next one, collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things or places taken together. A collective noun is the word that names a group of people, animals, places, or things. A collective noun is the word that names a group of people, animals, places, or things. To indicate any group, we use collective nouns. To indicate any group, we use collective nouns. For example, herd, army, class, pair, these are collective nouns. Look at the sentence. First one, a team of player. A team of player. Team is a collective noun which refers to a team of players. Refers to a team of players. Second one, a galaxy of stars. Galaxy of stars. Galaxy is a collective noun which refers to a galaxy of stars. Refers to a galaxy of stars. An army of ants. An army of ants. Army is a collective noun which refers to an army of ants. Army is a collective noun which refers to an army of ants. Fourth one, a pride of lions. Pride of lions. Pride is a collective noun which refers to a pride of lions. Which refers to a pride of lions. A library of books. Fifth one is a library of books. Library is a collective noun which refers to a library of books. Library is a collective noun which refers to a library of books. Sixth one, a pack of cards. A pack of cards. Pack is a collective noun which refers to a pack of cards. Pack is a collective noun which refers to a pack of cards. Seventh one is a pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. Pair is a collective noun which refers to a pair of shoes. Pair is a collective noun which refers to a pair of shoes. Next one, abstract noun. An abstract noun is the word that names a quality, feeling, idea or condition of someone or something that cannot be touched. An abstract noun is uncountable. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, feeling, thought, etc. There are some naming words that can be only felt and experienced. We cannot see or touch them. For example, we cannot see happiness or sadness, but we can feel and experience it. These naming words are called an abstract nouns. For example, kindness, beauty, honesty, happiness, sadness, wisdom, these are only we can be felt and experienced. We cannot see or touch them. So these are called an abstract noun. Listen the sentence. First one, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun. Ram is an intelligent man. Ram is an intelligent man. Intelligent is an abstract noun. She is a pretty girl. The third one is she is a pretty girl. Pretty is an abstract noun. Fourth one, always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. Truth is an abstract noun. Next one is material noun. Names of material are substances used as ingredients for making things. Material nouns are the names of materials or substances out of which things are made. Material nouns are the names of materials or substances out of which things are made. Material nouns are uncountable. Material nouns are uncountable and found in concrete form. and found in concrete form. For example, gold, silver, wood, glass, iron, cement, steel, milk, sugar, salt. These are material noun. Look at the sentence. First one. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. In this sentence, gold is a material. Gold is a material. So, gold is a material noun. Gold is a material noun. Second one, silver coins are used in older days. Silver coins are used in older days. In the sentence, silver is a material. Silver is a material. So, silver is a material noun. Silver is a material noun. Third one, the table is made of wood. The table is made of wood. In this sentence, table is a material. So, table is a material noun. Fourth one, the stone pillar was broken. The stone pillar was broken. Stone is a material. Stone is a material. So, stone is a material noun. Stone is a material noun. Fifth one, the chair is made of plastic. The chair is made of plastic. In this sentence, plastic is a material. Plastic is a material. So, plastic is a material noun. Plastic is a material noun. Gold, silver, wood, stone and plastic, these are material noun. This is your assignment, children. Please note it. Thank you. Thanks for listening.